Good morning! Guess who just finished working out? The time has come, ladies and gents. This girl is finally going back to school, and I never, ever thought I'd be excited about that. And yet here we are. Also, why does my hair look like that? I am sweating right now, but once again it adds to the effect of the video because we're doing another glow up. Who would have guessed? You have probably, actually maybe you haven't. Maybe you haven't. If you're new, hi, welcome. My name's Izzy, and these are my two donkeys on my wall. If you've watched a glow up video of mine before, it's gonna be the same thing again. You know, we tan, we wash our hair, we style our hair, we do our makeup, we pack our school bag, because I did film a video basically exactly the same as this when we went back after the first lockdown, but here we are again. So let's get ready with me to go back to school. I will not be going to school looking like this. I need to wash my hair, obviously. You already know I'm tanning. I did already say that, but I would just like to specify this is not a confidence boost. Anyway, I thought I'd start this now because I need to wash my hair. Like, bad, I need to wash my hair. So today I think I'm going to wash my hair and get a tan, and then tomorrow we're actually going to pack our bag, style our outfits for the week probably. So basically, if you don't know, if you're not from the UK did go back into another lockdown. I think this is number 3. So I haven't had any contact with anyone my age since December. And it's now March, so it has been 3 months. It has been 3 months. Social anxiety will be skyrocketing throughout the next week, and I will be physically, mentally and emotionally exhausted, but here for the experience, right? Here for a good time, not a long time. Let's just get cracking. Let's turn me back into the catfish that I am. Also, does anyone else look a million times better in summer? Like, I swear to God, I could have bad hair, a bad outfit, no makeup on, just be finished a workout, but I look so much better than full face of makeup, hair done, outfit in winter. Like, ladies and gents, that's why I'm moving to Los Angeles. Yes, I am moving to Los Angeles. If you don't like that idea, just may as well unsubscribe now, because I can't be bothered to deal with that at the time. So I'm gonna have a shower. I'm gonna tan probably tonight. I CBA to right now, and I'm gonna wash my hair. That's all there is to it. Bye, bitches. Bro, I've just been for a walk, and now my eye won't stop twitching. Like, look. Oh, I look high. I'm not. But I look it. My eyes never do this. I think it's just because it's really cold outside. Just got back from a walk. Obviously, I'm out of the shower. My hair has been washed. I thought I'd show you what I do when I want to make my hair curly, because I can't really function curlers. Actually, I can. Okay, I can. I did take a year course in hairdressing, but I'm not really good at functioning curlers, and also I just CBA to apply heat to my hair right now. Why is there a hole in my ceiling? I'm gonna I can't. Okay, I'm putting sunglasses on, so I'm gonna show you what I do when I want wavy hair, but I don't want to apply heat to it. You want to grab these. If you don't have these, you can use hairbands, it's fine. But I like using these. These were like £1 from Primark, and you get God knows how many clear elastic bands. Also, please reuse them because global warming is a thing and it is an issue. So if they're not broken, keep using them. Okay, if my eye's switching, I don't care anymore. Okay, we're just gonna deal with it. Oh, also you want your hair to still be wet, otherwise it's not gonna work so well. You also want the top bit to be a lot smaller than the bottom bit, because otherwise it's just gonna seem really weird when you take it out. Okay, then just tie that top bit off with like any hairband. It doesn't have to be neat, you just want it out the way really. What you want to do is then split your lower bit of your hair into 2 pieces again, and then into 2 from there. Once you split that into 2 pretty even pieces, you just want to start braiding one of them and trying to start like as high up as possible. Ow! Basically you want to braid those 2 pieces and then do the same on the other side. Now you want to take down this. You want to take down this, but you don't want to drop it, because then you'll kind of lose the hair in with the other braids that you've made. So just kind of do your best to keep it up. You want to try and keep a middle parting if you have one. That's what I should have said. You want to start with middle parting, and then you want to try and keep the middle parting. This is the ugliest clip I've probably ever filmed. Oh my god. Ow! And you want to drop half of it and tie off the other half just to get it out the freaking way for a minute. You just want to brush this back and then tie it up in a high ponytail with a hairband this time rather than a clear elastic one. Anyway, now that that's up, do the same on the other side, okay? Just do the same on the other side and ignore my eye. Oh my god, I'm gonna cry, I'm gonna cry. Ow, this hurts so bad. I am crying. There's a bump. Okay, I don't care, I don't care. Anyway, you want to tie each of these into 2 little braids. I don't care if they're not even. And it's like a really cute hairstyle just to wear by itself as well. I look so fucking high. I've never even been high. I'm gonna cry. I'm actually gonna start having a mental breakdown. I swear to God, I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm gonna lose my mind. I'm losing my mind. I've lost my mind. It's gone. She's... What's that Lil Wayne song? But I'm gonna leave this in for the whole of Sunday because it's Saturday today. And then hopefully my eye would have stopped. Bye bye. I would just like to announce though, everyone, today's 3 AM and I have just finished fake tanning. And yes, I know my hands are fucking bad, okay? I'm covered in dry skin. Okay, so I don't want to hear it in the morning. Okay, we already know it's gonna be bad. I should probably go to sleep. So good night. I also spent from 6:30 till 1:30 editing a video that I'd already half edited. So go watch my room transformation, please. Good morning, girly pops. It's the next day. Except it's the same day because I filmed at 3 AM. Yes, I'm tanned. Should we see my hands? Okay, we both knew it wasn't gonna be good. Look at my dry skin. I need to do some face tanner later because this is a bit tragic. Though I'm gonna shave my face and sort my eyebrows out because don't know what's going on up there. Anyway, I'm gonna ice my face now because if I try and do it tonight, I won't sleep because icing my face keeps me awake. So I'm about to go on a walk with my family. It's kind of sunny. I mean, it's literally like 5 degrees, but it's kind of sunny and I won't be able to go out as much when I'm back at school. So, fresh air, healthy body is a healthy mind. I don't know what I'm saying, this is too cold, I can't focus. I had an epiphany last night that I am a bad bitch and I need to come back because as soon as winter comes around, I lose every ounce of confidence in my body. But when summer's around, I am too confident for my liking. So I can never find a perfect balance. So I've just come to the conclusion, I'm bored of being one or the other. Like, I'm always gonna be confident. And even if I don't feel it, we can do our affirmations. Look how red my face is going. This is not acceptable. It's cold. So here's your daily reminder. Oh my god, I sound like such a... Okay. Drink some water, do your affirmations, and be confident. That's my dog yawning. Okay, yeah, so like I said, now we're going on a walk, get some fresh air, get some exercise, get some final family time, and then we're back at it. So I'm not going to take you on my walk, that's kind of boring. This was kind of boring, but if you stayed, hi, thank you very much. Anyway, goodbye. Enjoy whatever the next clip is. Ow! This is rough. I better look better than this tomorrow. Hi ladies, I'm back and gassy now because I just ate Nando's. You're welcome. I'm tired. I'm tired. I'm tired. She's pink. It's currently 7:46 PM. There's a few things left I need to do. I need to plan an outfit. I need to pack my bag. I need to come back to reality because my brain has been gone for the last couple months. I'm thinking what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually bring you along tomorrow morning when I'm getting ready for school. I didn't do that in my last one, but switching things up just because then I'm actually like getting ready for school. It's not just like the night before. I'm actually going. I'm getting up at 7 tomorrow. I haven't been up that early in a while, so we'll see how that one goes. I don't have to be in till 9:30 though, so we've got a little bit of time and I've only got 2 lessons, so beautiful. I'm going to paint my toenails because I hate when they're not painted. Like, they're just chips now. And I know no one's going to see it, but it's just a self-confidence thing. I don't freaking know. I need to shave my face. Haven't done that in a while. Also, I shaved my legs yesterday for the first time in 2 months. I feel like we should we practice talking? Oh my god, I haven't had human communication in a few months. I'm gonna walk into school. Hi guys! Welcome back. No, because that's... How do you... I don't want to go now. It's scaring me. And tomorrow morning, I'm getting up at 7. I'm doing Pilates. And then we're going to meditate and do yoga so that my anxiety isn't through the roof. Oh my god, do you want to know a fun fact? Last time we came out of lockdown, I went to work for like the first proper time. And it was really busy. And I had an anxiety attack at work. That's really great. So... let's meditate tonight and tomorrow so that that doesn't happen again. Let's go on a search for a bag first of all, because I don't freaking know which one I'm going to use. Okay, I feel like this is the most practical one because it's the perfect size and it fits. Do you know what? We're just going to use this one. I don't even care. I don't care. Right, what have we got in here? We have some barbecue sauce. Right, what do I need to pack my bag? Masks. I need my purse with my bus pass. I need my lanyard. I always forget that. I need my lanyard. I need to catch my breath and catch a break. Not like I've just had 3 months off. Oh, I need perfume and deodorant. Feminine hygiene moment. And in that, I need hairbands, bobby pins, Vaseline, hand cream, extra underwear, and a spoolie, because you can never go wrong with a spoolie. Oh, paracetamol. Okay, let's pack this bag first of all. There are cranberry pills everywhere. Okay, we do also need tampons and pads or anything. This smells like year 11. Guys, can we get me like mad views so that I can move out and then I can do moving vlogs, because I feel like that'll be really, really fun. Though I know I can't move because we are in a pandemic, but I'm just saying, can we like get something going so that by the end of the pandemic I'm done. Paracetamol, tampons. I need regular ones as well. Oh my god, there's literally cranberry pills all over the floor. Comment for a cranberry pill. 4 bobby pins, 4 hairbands, 2 hair clips, 4 of each tampons. Guess what my lucky number is? Toothpaste. Let's just chuck it in. That's there from when I used to go to parties, and for some reason the place where we would go to parties, there was not toothpaste. Like, I'm not trying to fall asleep without brushing my teeth. That's that done. No one gave me the memo that my photo was going to be on a white wall, and I was wearing a white shirt, so I do have a floating head. I look like a fucking elf. Right, I have 2 silk masks here, but they're both way too big for my face. But I'm going to chuck one in anyway, and then there's a black one downstairs that I'm going to wash because I think that one's going to fit. I love when that happens. There's money in here. Wow. Guys, say money affirmations. You might just one day wake up and find 50 quid in your purse. Found it. This was £700 and I haven't even been able to use it for a good majority of the year. That smells like year 11. Oh my god, that's weird. I want to have a rant. Can we do a story time? I don't know, I'll tell you. But please comment if you want a story time, because I want to do a story time. I'm so sad. I want to go back, but I just want to go back to life. I know everyone's in the same freaking position. I can't really complain. But like, year 10, so we went into lockdown when I was in year 11. In year 10, I was going to London at least once a week and leaving school early, and I had such a busy fucking schedule. I was like on it all the time and I was like doing stuff, and then all of a sudden we go into lockdown. Like, how do you go from going to London and getting the tube as a 15-year-old independent woman by yourself, travelling 6 hours a day just to go to 2 hours of acting school, to doing nothing, to doing a Chloe Ting once in a while? Bro, I miss that. Also, I should let you all know that I did fall asleep to Disney Channel music last night. Teen Beach Movie was blasting in my ear, and I loved every second of it. Anywho, I need to stop complaining. Okay, let's put it in this bag. There's cranberry pills everywhere. There's literally so many fucking cranberry pills. I just can't be asked for this anymore. I don't know what I can't be asked for though. It's not like I can't be asked to go to school, because I want to go to school, but it's not like I can't be asked to be at home, because you cannot be asked to be at home. Like, you're not doing anything. I just can't be asked to... This is a weird sensation going on in my mind right now, and I'm not a big fan of it. There's more cranberry pills in my bin than there is brain cells in my head, I swear to God. Okay, tomorrow I have psychology and sociology. I'm gonna bring my psychology folder because I can't be fucked to bring both of them. I'm in such a bad mood. I need my pencil case and some paper as well. I'm just not in... Do you know, I'm just gonna look at the micro pic on my vision board to calm me down. Is this why people go vegetarian? Like, is this the reason I'm so angry right now? Is because of all the hormones from that chicken? I don't even know if that's science or not. I want to take this off, but body dysmorphia said no. It's fine. With the hot gloves on. Ow, my bum! I did too many crunches and now I have like a scab at the bottom of my butt. Not crunches, just like ab workouts in general. Oh my god, this chicken is not digesting. I'm gonna do yoga in a minute. I need zen. I need zen. Oh, it's actually kind of full, you know. That is stunning. Okay, and then I'll put my water in tomorrow, which it has a perfect spot for. Okay, well now that that's done, I think my mental breakdown's over. We'll find out soon enough. Are you alright? What's up, love? Hi guys, I'm back. For you, I didn't go anywhere. I've just moved location. But for me, I had a mini mental breakdown to my mum. I had a shower. I did yoga for 15 minutes. I meditated for about 15 as well. I painted my toenails and washed my face, exfoliated, moisturised like my body, and now we're here to shave my face. It's been an interesting day, but it's fine We all have them. We all have them. So let's just keep working towards those goals. I'm gonna cry. I don't cry. If you know me, I don't cry. Unless it's something stupid like an Ariana Grande concert. I don't cry. I'm gonna shave my face for now because I don't know why. It just makes me feel confident. Like, you don't even see a change from far away, but I feel like you do. But you just don't realise it, you know? Okay, well, I'm just gonna do a time lapse, so let's go. I just put oil on my face, by the way. I used the Body Shop. Oh my god, fun fact, I sneezed out popcorn the other day. Like, popcorn came out my nose. Welcome to my life. Off camera, I'm gonna make my to-do list just because I do all that sort of stuff off camera, like meditate, yoga. Like anything spiritual I do off camera because it's my time. It's my time to vibe. We're gonna pick an outfit in the morning because I just can't do that right now. I just can't be fucked. I'm gonna drink my tea and then I'm gonna moisturize and then I wanna do this facial exercise thing just because my face is kind of puffy. I feel like my face absorbs a lot of salt, or like, you know when people bloat? Well, I feel like I bloat in my face too. I'm gonna do that every day from now on. I feel fresh. I like that. It better give me cheekbones. I want cheekbones so bad. I'm manifesting it. But I'm gonna pick out an outfit in the morning. I don't think I'm gonna film before I work out just because I will be dead. Good night. Good morning, guys. It's obviously the next day. It's 8:17 AM. I have to leave at about 8:45. I just got ready and I'm really not in the mood today. Like, I'm just not in the mood. I think it's because of last night and now I'm just not in the mood today. But, you know, we're gonna try and be in a good mood. We're gonna try and work through it. But this is what I'm gonna wear. I need my black puffer jacket because it's -4 degrees. Hello, when did fucking winter come back? I would love to know. But this is thrifted from Brighton. I think everything I have is thrifted from Brighton. This is from Amazon. I get all my hoodies from Amazon. These from Topshop. Yeah, I want to wear these because I feel like they're comfier and they go better. I just have a gut feeling to wear these, so I'm gonna wear these. So this morning already, I've gotten up, obviously, because I'm out of freaking bed. I have done Pilates for 20 minutes. I had a shower and I meditated. And don't make that sound like I've been really productive because I meditated in bed and basically I've been alright, okay? I've been alright. Give me a break. I'm gonna do like the tiniest amount of makeup, and by that I mean I'm gonna underline my brows. Lovely. I'm gonna spray my face with this. It's the iconic London Prep Soap Glow, just because it's got stuff in it that's really good for your skin and it makes you glow. This is what I'm gonna look like at school all day. So it's stunning. You can only see my eyes. You don't need to see my puffy tiredness. Right, this is what my hair looks like when you take it out from this braid thing. It looks kind of fun, I think. If you wanted to as well, when you do this hairstyle, maybe like French or Dutch braid so that you get these bits, but like, I didn't think of that. And also you can add dry shampoo or anything to add volume, but I have the thickest hair, so I will not be doing that because I don't want it any bigger than this. There we go, ladies, there's my hair for today. Currently I look a little bit like Krusty the Clown, but it's gonna like figure itself out throughout the day, so we'll be fine. And also this lasts for like 3 days, even in my hair, which falls out very, very quickly. I think I'm ready. Am I ready? Oh my god, yay. We're gonna add some rings. There we go, those are my rings for today. I have 4 on this hand and 3 on this hand. I take pride in the way I smell, so we're gonna make sure that I smell good. This smells insane, oh my god. It reminds me of my, no. Anyway, I think I'm ready, and if not, then we'll soon find out. But I'm gonna end this video here because all I'm gonna do is make a matcha and then leave. Oh, I really needed to tan my face. That's what I forgot. I forgot to tan my face. Fuck. Well, I'll do that tonight. You're just gonna have to trust that I do that tonight. Thank you so much for watching. Go drink some water because a healthy body is a healthy mind. We'll see how this comes out. If it makes it to the internet, well done, Izzy. Well done. Love you. Thanks. Bye. And if you want to follow me on Instagram, that's the thing down below. It's izzyhiersche. Okay, thank you. Bye. Girly Pops, I'm back. I made it through the day. Are we proud of me? It's literally only like 12 o'clock. And I have already ended the video. But I just thought I'd let you know that it wasn't as bad. I think I'm sane again. I know. Can we have a round of applause? Thank you very much. I will be accepting my award soon. Okay, I fucking lied. Listen to me now. Okay, bye. I love you.